Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So finally I got Mi A2 with me, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and give you my first impression of this Mi A2. But guys, let me tell you that I got a worst experience from Amazon for this package. Let me tell you that I have ordered this Mi A2 on 9th of August and this is 17th of August. So I got it today, but the story is on 15th of August I got an SMS that they are saying that the product is out for delivery and it will be arrived today. But in the evening I got a message that we have attempted to contact you but we are unable to contact you. But I have my smartphone is continuously on with network. There is full network in both the sims and I have already given the alternate number, but I have not been contacted from Amazon, which is a very bad thing. And same story repeats again on the 16th of August, and finally it's on 17th they delivered the product, basically the Mi A2 here. So this is the packaging, guys. Yeah, the worst experience of my life, but this is the packaging. Well, I got an Mi A2 box over here. So this is the box, guys. Mi A2 is written over here, Android 1, Mi A2 Android 1, not bad. India's #1 smartphone brand. Well, kinda. Mi A2 is also written over here. On the back, lots and lots of information. So as you see over here, guys, it says 20 megapixel front camera, 12 plus 20 megapixel AI dual camera on the rear. That's Snapdragon 660, and the dual cameras, they both are the main USP of this smartphone. And it has Android 1, which is an also kinda USP of this smartphone. And by the way, this is a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage variant, and it costs 17,000 rupees. Now let's open the packaging. Well, first of all, we did not get anything. We got another box which contains, I guess, a cover. Okay, this is a very interesting and very disappointing thing. This is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm converter jack. This is a very disappointing thing done by Xiaomi, guys. They have removed the 3.5mm jack from the budget device. Shame on you, Xiaomi, literally. And this SIM removal tool. And moving on, we got this cover. Well, of course, nowadays every smartphone brands gives the cover in the box. Well, cover is kinda okayish quality, not very good or not very bad. It's okay. Let's put this aside for a while. And we got some documentation which nobody reads, so let's put them aside for a moment. And yeah, finally we got our Mi A2 over here. Holy smokes, it looks good, guys. So this is a phone, guys. Looks interesting, right? It's very slim. Let's boot it up for a moment till it's turning on. Let's see what else we got. It's a 5V 2A charger, not a fast charger, which is again a letdown for a lot of people. As you see, 5V 2A charger. It supports fast charging, Qualcomm quick charging 4 out of the box, but they does not provide any Qualcomm certified charger, which is not a good thing. And then we got this USB Type-C cable. Okay, let's put everything aside and let's see the smartphone itself. I have heard lots and lots of good thing as well as bad thing about this smartphone. Well, let's remove this plastic first. So this is the phone, guys. Let's start. Let's quickly set it up. Let's insert SIM. Okay, it does not support any SD card. Damn, Xiaomi, what are you doing? You remove headphone jack. You remove this SD card slot. What are you doing? What are you trying to do? I mean, this is India, man. People are cautious about those things. Well, let's put the SIM card. So guys, as you see over here, the MI A2 is booted up. Let me go to system, then about phone. So as you see over here guys, it is running on Android 8.1 audio. The security patch is June 5th. Not bad, huh? I got a system update. Yeah, I got a system update which will fix some big bugs. Let me put it on update and let's go to storage. So basically out of 64 GB I got around 47.49 GB out of the box, which is not a bad thing. But yeah, so this is the smartphone guys, and now let me give you a physical overview. So on the front guys, it has 6 inches of 1080p display and it's an IPS display. Looks pretty good, I would say that. And on the top of the screen I can say there is some sensors, and this is I guess 20 megapixel front facing camera and earpiece, and I guess this is a LED flash. Let me check. Yeah, this is an LED flash. And yeah, on the bottom of the screen we got 3 software keys, which is not a nice thing. And even with the 17,000 rupee price tag, the top chin and the bottom bezel are very thick. I'm not happy with the design of this phone. It should be a little bit less, or they should have given the capacitive keys over here. Why they made it so thick? And the phone is quite slim though, and I mean for holding the phone it feels quite premium. This material especially, it feels very premium guys. It looks good too, but this protrusion is, it's just killing me. It's very hard to digest. This is huge. Let me show you. As you see over here guys, this is huge. It's very big. Now let me give you a physical overview guys. On this side we got nothing but a SIM tray which accept only 2 SIM card, no micro SD card slots sadly. On the bottom this must be a speaker. This is a USB type C port. Thank you so much, but you for removing the headphone jack. And this is a microphone hole, and on the top there is IR blaster too, not bad, and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. But moving to this side we got nothing but a power key and the volume rocker. Not bad. On the bottom as you see, these are main dual cameras, 12 megapixel f1.8 and 20 megapixel f1.8, LED flash, fingerprint scanner, and on the downside we got MI branding and Android One logo. Not bad. Well, let's open the camera and let's take some pictures. Okay, let's put it over here. Guys, I have heard that the camera of this smartphone is very good. Well, okay, wow, damn, incredible guys. It's very sharp, and the details, wow, good. Even though I have not tested it yet, but in this amazing lighting situation, the cameras are looking very promising. Okay, well, my hair is very messed up. Wow, even the front facing camera looks pretty amazing. I will properly test the camera and give you my full impression and my full review of this mobile phone guys, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. And yeah, let's see. So this is the phone guys, and by the way guys, the battery is 3000 mAh, which is very less too. And one thing is very awesome in this phone, that it is running on Snapdragon 660 processor, which makes it faster. Let's see. Well, app opening time is very quick. Not bad, huh? Well, so that's all in this video guys. I hope you do like this video and you do find this video helpful. And if you do find this video helpful in any manner, hit that like button right now, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already guys. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then hit that bell notification icon after you subscribe, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. So by the way guys, this is the cover, and even after the cover, the protrusion is huge and it wobbles a lot on the table, as you see. But nonetheless, yeah, what I'm saying, thank you so much for watching this video guys, Yeah, I have to see you in my next video. Bye bye.